Just kind of dig it on it a little bit. Oh, he decided to come twice, so he's gambling a little. I mean, hit it perfect. Yeah, Josh Filler with the 9 ball to get on 9 quickly. Sometimes when we get sideways, we just stay a little sideways, and this is going to fall a hair fun enough angle to get back to the middle. He swung it with more side than I thought.
Vata using the left rail. Like so.
Just passing in the hallway, a little fist bump, and just kind of seems like he's ready to play again. When this guy has that, that's another level.
Sort of want to be on 9.
But it's not a big,
no,
it's not
no,
huge odds. It's not 2 to 1. It takes sometimes. Not here, though. And I know it sounds crazy, but for the most part, and Shane trying to get another one here. Get that 2-0, 3-0 on the 1 ball. I don't know if it's even shootable, but he's on the hill as well.
Yeah,
Well, he's just connecting on him. I tell you, most of the balls are going up the table. Secure the snooker as much as you can. I think that's right. You know, again, this is his first match. He was one of the later ones to play the final 64, so he'll play another. Filler taking a lot of time on that. Did have to get kind of gear, and I'm not talking about the playing part of it. He doesn't seem to fatigue either. And he's not one of the spring chickens on the tour anymore. He's a busy guy. Well, on the other end of things, too. Sorry, Carl.
JJ, I thought I was just going to say he's
that's been a little astray the last couple years because, you know, more power to him, as he should. But he's geared up. He's geared up not only for this.
Well, the thing with that. Well, the young German is still going. It's 9-6 to Kraus. So Schuff making a game of it.
He's going to freeze it, so for their opponent.
Then he's.
All right, this is going to miss, but he's going to be just something's a little different, something's a little off. This is going to double kiss. Yeah, always. You want to not add this. Just kind of something going back and forth, a little tussle for the first shot. I feel like Darren was probably like that.
Too. You knew he was never really going to give you anything tactically. 10-11.
Oh, it was back to back. Okay. I didn't realize he had one back as well. Trying to think of all the ones who have. There aren't many. SVB, Earl. I'd have to look it up, but I feel like maybe 89, 90 or something like that. Yeah. One we missed here, of course, because he's no longer with us. But
yeah, Buddy Hall was involved in the Moss VB.
Did he beat Filler also? I feel like maybe he's rolling the shoulder. It looks a lot better.
Yeah, nice guy as well. I always have a little chat with him at some point. The opening rack, he's playing at Jesus Atencio. Pinched the pocket nice there. That created this angle.
You know, it's one thing. Do it at an entire tournament. That's just incredible what he did last week. But just to keep, could go the rail and bounce out like that. I like that. Nothing wrong there. Be inside. Went for a tough 8 ball after he had missed the 8 and missed it and never shot again.
Pushed out there. I thought he'd moved the 8. Oh well, maybe not. It's been a long day.
Working for him here though. Yeah, that's what I was saying. If you don't finish your stroke. In the middle, maybe the upper left. You know, and most would say, you a clinic or clinical. Perfect if you want to critique it, but it's been very close to that.
Well, it's aggressive, isn't it?
What does that do for you? But you'd like to think it doesn't affect these players, but in the long run.
Yeah, and he's definitely drawing in the arena tonight. They're all crowding around this.
Along with that one. Smash. Did he get a friendly clip off the 6? No need to push out to any kind of jump or anything, though. Oh, he hit it pretty thick, so I don't know which way he's going with it. It's going to work out with that. Trying to just get something on this, kill the cue ball, and just take his chances, leaving something difficult for Felix.
Yeah, always a big...
All right, set up nicely here. No big deal.
Yeah, that's good to see.
See how much fuller he hit it? Now, he missed the one, but I noticed that the other day when he broke the ball. Straight on the 6, probably draws back to the rail so he can bounce out, get a good reference there with that left side. A little loose. Yeah. Maybe.
There's that big, long cue action of Shane with a big...
Oh no, he eased it. Confidence is really brewing. Place to fall. Well, he went cross-side, excuse me.
Didn't need it. It went straight in the middle of the hole.
Yeah, but that speed, it wasn't just to play shape. Oh, he's lost it again.
Beautiful 9-ball, doesn't he, JJ?
Yeah. The show that SVB's putting on every match either. I mean, it's really something special.
This is very handy.
Yeah, we may be able to get dinner tonight because of SVB.
Showing us up. It will be Shane's last break of this match, regardless. He's amped up, isn't he? He wanted to absolutely thump that in the pocket. Not had much table time.
But you don't want to get dead straight because that makes it harder to get on that 6.
In it, JJ, you're 9-1 down in a race to 10. You just feel like there's not a chance you're going to win
all the
this.
way up to the upper rail. Or just make it. Sayonara, see you later. Felix is a fan as well. Just wasn't in this match so much.
Done, SVB. The run con